Let's begin by allowing our body to get into a comfortable position and just let your muscles relax as your palms rest comfortably in your lap or on your thighs in the open position. As it feels right to you, you may gently close your eyes. Let all of your awareness for now just be present with your breath. Notice how it feels as it enters and exits your body. As you breathe into your lungs, let yourself be aware of all the sensations that occur within you. Notice what muscles you are engaging and just follow it as it comes out through you. Feeling your lungs deflate, and as you become more and more aware of the sensations related to your breath, simultaneously let yourself be aware of your body as a whole, tuning in to the sensation of gravity, feeling your feet and any sensations occurring within. Feel your ankles and your calves, being present with your knees and your thighs. Letting yourself simply be present with your hips, your lower spine and back, abdomen, chest, and the entire body. Let yourself simply be present in your body. For now, you are not trying to judge it or change it. You are simply being present with it. For the next several moments, simply maintain this mindfulness of your breath and your body. And if any thoughts come and go, just let them, and as you return your focus to being present inside your body right now. So for just a few more moments, see what it feels like to let your awareness expand outwards. Feel your presence in the space you are currently residing. Notice how your body takes up space, how it pushes the air out around you as you breathe in at a pace that feels good to you. Let your awareness continue to expand outwards and then return inwards. Just see how aware you can be of your body in this moment and its presence in the world around you. And now bring your awareness to the space in the middle of your chest and a couple of inches inwards, tuning into your heart's energy center. Breathe in into this space and out of this space comfortably and easily. Just feel a sense of gratitude towards yourself for doing this practice and taking out time for your body and mind. This feeling is something you can carry with you well beyond the meditation. As if you have this deep inner knowing that you can be mindfully present in any moment. Take this feeling with you as you slowly begin to roll your shoulders, wiggle your fingers and your toes, and just become aware of your body and the surroundings. Become aware of the space that you are in. And while taking your own sweet time, whenever you feel comfortable and whole, you may gradually open your eyes